Hello, in this video I will show you the 5 best apps that pay you real money, which is one of the easiest ways to make money online. All 5 apps have been tested by me and they don't scam people, they pay real money. The last app in this top is the best app and I have tried it myself. So watch this video to the end. For your first earnings, you'll need a phone with an internet connection. And so, the first app on our list. This site is called Userfield. In this site, you have to test different applications and websites, and earn dollars for it. How does it work? It's a very developed IT industry and developers always need someone who will test their applications and will find bugs and problems in their applications. Companies pay a Userfield site, then that site pays the people who do the testing. What do we get? You get paid to test simple applications and websites, and this is the easiest way to make your first money online. Testing websites and apps doesn't require any special knowledge, skills or experience. And that's why Userfield website is a great place to make your first income online. It is a very popular application, with hundreds of thousands of testers from all over the world, so it works in most countries, including yours. And that is one of the best features of this app. By the way, post your country in the comments, I'd be very interested to read. They also have hundreds of happy customers, including some very large companies that I know. You can also see quite a bit of information about this application, as well as its features. Userfield is a multilingual usability tool and user testing tool. You can test any site in any language. The site consists of more than 100,000 testers speaking 40 languages,
which attracts many of their customers to this application.
This is the best thing you can do, just by using your smartphone and access to the internet. Of course, it's your decision whether or not to do it, but the fact that you can do it on your smartphone is a big bonus. Because you don't have to be at home to work on this app. A phone or tablet is all you need to make a good income online. You can get paid $10 per test. Each test lasts 10 to 20 minutes. So you can get $10 in just 10 minutes. That's not a small amount of money because you literally don't need any skills to do it right today. If you like this video, please like it. And so, the great thing about it is that you don't have to pay for anything, just like it says on the website itself. However, you will need a Windows computer or a smartphone, which I mentioned earlier. If you have a laptop, you don't even need to buy a microphone because it already has a built-in microphone. Even if you have a smartphone, you don't need to buy anything extra. Because the smartphone also has a built-in microphone, you won't need to use your real name when you do the test, so don't worry about that. To successfully proceed with the test, you need to take a qualification test. The test confirms that you have a microphone and can perform various tasks. Again, nothing complicated. As you can see, you get paid through PayPal. All you have to do is scroll below, click on Become a Tester, and fill out some simple details to start earning your first money. Now let's move on to the second app on our list. It's called honeygain. Honeygain is a good way to build a passive income online. In this video you will make money by sharing your internet. If anything, don't worry, your safety is not at risk. This app is really safe. It ensures that your internet traffic is only used by trusted partners. And the app never asks for access to your gadget storage. So they won't steal your data and your internet traffic is only used by people they trust. In short, it makes the internet more accessible to other users. I'll give you 5 steps to make money with honeygain. Install honeygain, then run honeygain on your device. The app will collect data using your internet data, which will help other businesses. And in the end, you get money for what? Sharing your internet data. You can withdraw money to a PayPal bank card or via cryptocurrency. This app doesn't pay a huge amount of money, and the money you get depends on your internet connection. This is a passive income method, not an active one. That is, you can just leave it running and it will bring you money. The third app we're going to look at today is called Money App. It's one of the best-selling apps of its kind. And it's available on Google Play and on the App Store. You will get money for doing various tasks. These tasks will bring you credits, which you can then exchange for money. The fourth application on our list is MyPoints. MyPoints is a site where you get money for completing different surveys. They will pay you $10 just for joining their site. MyPoints has a 4.6-star rating and is trusted by many well-known brands. Here you can play your favorite games and get paid for it, and the best part is, you have lots of different gift cards like eBay, Starbucks. They will even allow you to earn money by recommending this site to your friends. So you can share your referral link with your friends and family. You can start earning a full passive income online starting today. It's the easiest way to make passive income. The fifth app on our list is Prizes by Gamey. This app is proven by many famous people like Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos. You can withdraw up to $1,000 just by playing games. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video.